So I'm in my bathroom. It may be a little bit echoey, so forgive me, but I figured this would be a good place to do this because I bought this off eBay and now I suspect that this is actually not the actual Kylie set that I thought it was going to be, but I swatched them. They seemed okay. I left it on for a bit of time. It stained a little bit, but like it didn't irritate me. I'm allergic to mice and rats basically, so I mean if this stuff had rat shit in it, it probably would have killed me with itchiness and shit. I had no itchiness whatsoever with this kit. I don't know what that means. The colors don't look the same as the actual thing. So without further ado, I guess we're gonna go forward. I'm wearing one of the colors, which is this one here, which I believe number three was high maintenance. Now, I don't know how accurate this is to the actual Kylie kit because it seems like it may not be. So I'm just gonna change this, see if I can get it off. I've had no like, look at that, like nothing. It's literally dried on. It's so comfortable. It's not cracking my lips and I'm not getting any irritation at all. So I'm surprised. Sorry Kylie though, I thought I was getting this through a proper reseller that seemed legit, but it seems like it wasn't. So I didn't mean to steal your makeup. I thought it was just an eBay reseller. I don't know. So, I mean, they are kind of hard to get off though. It's coming off though. This is what my lips look like naked. The next one we're probably going to try will be the apricot. So this is apricot. I'm not really sure how I like this one. This is it here. And I guess it's still gonna dry. I'll probably wipe it off before it dries so I can show you guys the other ones, but I think it looks okay. I'm not usually one to wear lighter colors though. I feel like I'm a little bit pale for this color, but I mean, if I was doing a sort of darker look, maybe. They actually have a really nice smell, by the way. It sort of reminds me of the inside of a Lindt chocolate. Like that sort of hazelnutty kind of smell. So the next one we're gonna go for is Posse K. I mean, you guys have seen me wear red before. This one's okay. I don't hate it. So yeah, my lips are feeling a little bit weird, but I think it's more the fact that I'm wiping so much off my lips right now because my arm actually hasn't been hurting with any of the swatches I had and my lips were fine before. I think that the fact that I'm rubbing off layers and layers and layers of stuff, that is contributing, but I don't get the feeling of my lips hurting from lipstick, and you guys know what that feels like. That's not what I'm experiencing right now. Yeah, I mean, if you're wiping with wipes, they're always going to dry out your lips anyway. But don't you worry, I have a plan for that. So there's that one, which is head over heels. I like it better in the viewfinder than I like it in the mirror. So, I mean, I feel like if I sat there and applied it properly, this one would actually look really nice though. So I think my application is part of the problem, but yeah, they're actually really quick drying though. Like, I don't know if you can see, I'm already starting to go matte on the bottom lip. The staining is actually kind of a nice color though. This looks like I've had a little bit of a pash rash. Mary Jo K. Now, obviously, like, it's a bit messy now, but that's the color. This one's got a bit of a more orange tone to it compared to the other one, which was a more pinkish red tone. So, I actually really like this set. It's not stinging. There's a bit of tightness, but that's probably from the wipes, because when I was putting on the original one, the first one that I put on, there was no tightness at all. And it just, like, I feel like they go on really well. Very similar to this, actually, probably a little bit better than Lime Crime, the Velveteen set. I find that this one does get a little bit tight too, but this one still feels like your lips are, like, it doesn't feel like your lips are really dry, but then there's no residue. Like, and just so you know, see, no, not really much residue, and I've just put it on. So, I mean, that's really, like, better than I expected. But, I mean, obviously be cautious with online makeup because you never know what you're getting. I mean, the ingredients on the back, I've checked, and they look the same as the original. So, I mean, I don't know if that's the truth. So far so good. I'm not getting any reaction. Probably doesn't have mouse poop or rat poop in it because I have an allergy to them and I would literally be blowing up right now. Anyway, I guess we'll leave it at that. I got these off eBay, not Wish, so maybe that's the difference, and the seller was from Australia. I don't know exactly, like, if this is like old stock or replica stock or what, but the colors are slightly different. So I just rub in moisturizer on my lips to make sure that, like, it's not, you know, too drying. My moisturizer is aloe vera based. Adding moisturizer to your lips gets rid of dryness, which helps in turn get rid of stained skin. But yeah, I think that that's probably a really okay replica of a brand. I'm not saying that you should go out and buy replicas, I'm just saying that it wasn't terrible. Anyway, I guess I'll leave it at that. Bye!